Okay, let's lower that music just a smidge. All right, I think that's good. Okay.
Guess what? I might get back on those anyways.
all right. Okay, my channel. All right. Oh, good enough. What does? You got it. Wait, what am I doing first? I forgot what I'm working on here. So So I guess the options screen, good place to start. But I wanted to fix something. Source title. Ooh. Whoa, whoa, what happened there? Oof. So fast. It's too fast. I don't think it's possible to win at that level right now. Okay, so now I gotta finish the options screen. Alright. How should I align this? Okay. I'm trying to think, like, should I make a new C source? Like, it would make sense, right? So, I guess we'll just CP state title to state options. Let's see.
show you this real quick?
What's up? What's up?
I think it's funny. You can keep going till I find it.
Oh,
Are you live, mate?
yeah.
Are you on live chat?
What's up?
This is like quarantine play with the dog thing.
No, I haven't gotten there yet. Let's go to the next one. Oh.
If you click on the left side of the screen, it goes back or restarts. You gotta click on the right side.
Oh. How do you know?
Because it's just like basic UI stuff. Well, that wasn't actually like really good cable organization, so.
Wish we had more beer.
There's still more orange shandies.
Ugh. Ugh. So put the arrow on it, I guess. Oops. What did I do for state title is what I should do the same thing. Fuck. It's not 300, is it? 10,200. It's got to be set back again when it goes back. It's the default position. Hmm. So there's at least two more options right now, difficulty and sound. So there's going to be, let's see, so 200 is back, 250 is the difficulty title. So 300 is going to be the difficulty, 350 sound title, 400 sound. So 400. Okay, so only do it on 300 or if error caused by and do it only that. With game sound. Then oops. That's a pretty simple switch for that, and I can do the same thing down here. Okay, this is gonna be, should be pretty simple. Okay. If then game difficulty equals hard. Should just be able to yank that, paste. And then if it is hard, then it goes to medium. If it's medium, it goes to easy. So easy to hard, hard to medium, medium to easy. And then we should just be able to do the same thing down here in reverse order. Let's try. So this should be a reverse. So now if it's easy, it goes to medium. Good. If it's medium, it goes to hard. And if it's hard, it goes to easy. Pretty sure. And now I just draw it based on that. So always draw text. Font sound. Back pause X. And then this. Back size, white. This is going to have to be back pause Y plus, what do we say here with the title? 350, so Hutter makes it yeah, that's right. I think. No, it's not. Yeah, 150 makes it 350, and then this makes it, yeah, I think that's right. And then we can draw the things in there. So here, I would say if game sound and if not game sound. Here it's going to be the same thing in all places. So just draw text. And this will be font, easy. This is application. Okay, so now this is going to be back pos y plus. So if it's at 200, and then the sound, the difficulty should be at 300. So this is actually real fucked up. Wait, no, this is right. This is totally right. This should be, yeah, because 250, so 300. So 200 plus 100 is what that should be. And then, so I'll copy this to the end of the line. Make that. Paste that bad boy in there. Same thing here. Alright, that should be that. And then this should just be like literally the same thing. Figures. Draw text. Font on. Pos X. Back. Pos Y plus 200. 200 is 400. Back size. X. Just copy that. That should be that, I think. Now all we have to do is do it like this. So that's the hard limit. Always. And now we just have to send it like, actually, I think we just make it 100 here. But then just say, I think, because then we'll just skip over that. Yeah, and it's 400. Go. So yeah, 300, 400, boom. Whoa. Is it? Are those not? Don't those not come with cat state title? Oh, there's no. Yeah, I guess not. Suggest parentheses around assignment used as truth value. What does that mean? Be explicit. Oh, I see. Okay, so that's not changing, but we're close. Let's make sure that works first. Okay. So yeah, it skips like it should. But then it doesn't change, but it should. Okay, so pretty close here. So it starts at 200. Doesn't seem like it's changing. So that should change. It should be changing. Key left, key right. Key left, key right. So that should be changing. This should never change. So it doesn't seem like it's changing the values. should be getting set here. And then it should be changing. Difficulty. Oh, do we just change it? Is it? That doesn't explain the bool though. And I definitely should just be able to set that here. So, yeah, it's, Good, that needs to come over to the left. Oops. Okay, so it's not firing. Why not? If it is key pressed. So, it's definitely there, right? Difficulty and sound, and then because everything's in the right place. So this is definitely 300 for the difficulty, and this is definitely 400 for the sound. So why aren't these firing? If the keys press Q right. So do I have to do it? Oh man, if I have to put it in here, that's gonna be kind of ghetto. I do wonder though. This will probably be easier outside of Vim. Just for this change, because I'm kind of confused. Wait a minute. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. Because it wouldn't even be building if that was the case. Okay, so I think maybe I have to like put this in here, and that would be really crappy if that's the case, but it might be. What? That doesn't make any sense because it doesn't have to check for it in there. Is like is the key not the right key in the library? I'm real confused. Key right. Is key pressed? Is key pressed into key? Get key pressed. I know what I need to look for here. Key left. Key down, key right. 262, 263. I'm not sure. It doesn't seem like I should have to change this. It's equal to this. We should be able to like print the current arrow position every time. Let's do this. Printf. So it's not doing it there either, right? What the hell is going on here? I don't understand. It's moving it, but then it's not. I don't get it. This isn't even that important, but I just want to know why it's not working. 200 is definitely back because we shouldn't be able to press space anywhere else. So yeah, we can't. And that's how it should work with them going on back takes you back. So that should be 300, that should be 400. 200, 300, 400. But this isn't changing. Maybe what if I do space? Maybe there's just a problem with left and right. You know? Yeah, so space doesn't work either. Space, I mean, these keys should change that. I'm not sure why. It's weird. It's weird that this doesn't print. It's weird. It's all weird. I don't understand why. It changes. Key left. This should be changing it. If the arrow pauses 300, 400 is right. 300, 400 is right. And we should be drawing a different difficulty back here. Not sure. Not sure. Not sure, not sure, not sure. It doesn't make any... it's the same code. If arrow position is 300, change the difficulty. What about this? Just for shits and giggles. Yeah. Yeah, me neither. I don't know. Yeah. I don't... Everything else works. The arrow moves up and down. It hits its limits. If I press space on or easy, it doesn't do anything like it's supposed to. But if I press it on back, it goes like it's supposed to. But then it's not changing these things left and right. And I'm not... Like, something's wrong with the way I did that. Let's dig in here. This is not the right code, by the way. Okay. So it's checking. It says if the game difficulty is easy, which is what it should be set to initially, right? Equals 0. Maybe that was a problem. No. So if it's easy, then it should go, then change it to hard. And if it was hard, go to medium. And if it was medium, go to easy. And then it tells it what to draw down here. If it's easy, draw this. If it's medium, and it's doing it right because it's drawing the easy text. So it knows the same thing for the sound. It's drawing the sound, but it's not changing the values like it's supposed to. It's not even printing. Yeah, it's not. But yeah, exactly. When I hit the down key, but it's changing the arrow position. That doesn't make any sense to me. Why wouldn't it print? And like this is, we're definitely controlling it. Because, like if I change this to 400, we'll be able to go 2 spaces up. What the fuck just happened? So look, whoa, 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 what happened here? Okay, wait. Oh, hold on a second. Oh no, 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 I'm stupid. This is not even the right thing. This would have been, I don't know what this is. This is try commenting out the key down block and running. Hold on a sec. So look, I just did this reverse. That was the only problem with that. So now I'll be able to go up. See? See how it lets me go up? So we're like definitely controlling it there. That, so like it's definitely that, I don't know. Just listen equal to 200, make it 200. That was like that check. The key down will just make it not move. So I don't know why it wouldn't print though. Why wouldn't it print? This is so weird. And it knows what the enum and the boolean is because it's printing them both out on the default values. Like it's printing this, which it should. It says if it's equal to easy, then print the easy. And the fonts are different. Font easy, font medium, font hard. Font on, font off. Right, font on, font off. I'm not sure. It seems like pretty straightforward, and I tried it with a different key. That didn't work. It doesn't work. Like, what's going on here? This is the end of what's it called? This is I'm not sure. Yeah, I mean, I could comment out the key down block, but I don't think it's gonna. I don't foresee it. Like I just foresee it stopping. Oh, I'm not even gonna be able to do. Yeah, see, and I can't go down, and I can't go up because it hits the limit. I don't think it's that. What's going on here, man? It definitely works. The keys down and up, they work, and they hit their limits. And this is like, if it's at 300, then it should change these. I don't know. I don't know. I guess I need to fix that anyway. I can move on to something else in the meantime. I guess a to-do here. Okay. So next is to make the timer, the amount of time that you react on. And I think level 5 is unbeatable right now in its current state. Yeah, that's man, I don't know how that's beatable. I don't know if it is or not. What? What'd you see? Oops. The key right and key right. Oh my god. No. You're so, oh my god. You're so right. I did this before. Fuck. Dude. Fuck. You're 100% right. I screwed this up. Yep. Good call, man. I guarantee that was it. Look at this. Oh, wait. How did I screw that up now? Okay. So, I think we can... We have if, else if. Oh, no, but then we else if these two. Else if. I always get screwed up on the else ifs, man. I don't know why. Should I get the one inside too? Yep. Yep. If else if. Okay. Look at that. Man, nice call. Boy, that's pretty annoying. So if I'm on easy, then it goes to hard, goes medium, hard, easy, yeah, and I can go left and right on either or. I should probably just make it space that changes it. That way there's only one space. But I don't know. Maybe, I guess I could make it space too. I don't know. For like the right or key space. I guess that way it keeps it as like one thing, just multiple keys too. Boy, I can't, man, those else ifs, tell you what. Okay, so yeah, so I'll just make it on key right. Or if is key pressed. Oh god. Key space. So you can press right or space is the idea here, I think. Yeah, so space changes it. And so does left and right. And I've got to fix this proper because that looks like shit. This was a get a little hack for the time. I'm going to have to fix that eventually the right way. Well, I don't know why I forget about those. Like I forget about those elf conditions, and then it hits the same condition every time. I totally forget about that every single time. But then like I don't have to. I guess this is different because it's a draw method. Okay. So now I need to figure out what I need to move around here. So let me do this. So okay. So I think the easiest way is just going to be to move back easy and these methods over, or methods, not methods really. Or Yeah, so if I move easy and on over on the x-axis slightly, this is going to take some finessing because I didn't set it up the right way. But the good news is I should just be able to play with the values once I get them in there. Okay, this is kind of annoying me. Alright. So this should be, let's just... The larger word should require less, and easy and hard should be the same. So maybe 10 for these two, and 5 for this guy. That actually looks pretty good. I think I can live with that. Yeah, I think that's like pretty good. Okay, and then, but I think it needs to go over a little bit. Nah, I don't know, man. That might be good. Maybe hard and easy go over a little bit more. Ooh, shit. God damn it, I keep hitting that thing. That'll do for now. Okay, and then same thing here. These need to go over like 15 a piece, I think. I'm going to increment some value. Oh no, this, I guess I got to move the sound over and the on and off over more. Let's try 25 here and then move the actual sound itself over. The difficulties in Slick, Easy, Medium, Hard, you can just cycle through them left and right, choose the direction, -1 or 1. Space could default to 1. That way the code actually changes it once. Just a thought. That's probably the best way to do it. The reason I have it separate here, it is actually, so this isn't repeating. The idea is that if you're going left, right, then you want to be able to loop back through the other side. So like if you go like hard, medium, easy, then you want to go hard again. And then the same thing, if you go the other way, you want to go easy, medium, hard, and then loop back to easy. And I guess that could be done with a single condition, but I feel like it's less complicated like this. So that's the only thing. That's the only reason I gave the left and right in the first place, because I actually dislike when you don't get the choice to like loop around. So like if you go back and then it gets stuck on easy, like I want to be able to go from easy to hard if you go back and whatever. The ideal way would just obviously to be pull this block and then just leave it at space. So there's still only one button that does everything, but I don't know. It's something to think about for sure. I did think about that though. Okay, That's the arrow, that's the test is fine. The sound, we need to push this over a little bit here. Oh, fuck, I forgot. That's looking pretty, that's looking better. I think back in the difficulties and the sound, just need to go over slightly. That makes sense. Thank you. I'm glad, because sometimes I have no idea. But that's what I was thinking about. That's why they're different. Actually, they do different things. You can see here if you're going left, right, because if you're at the easiest, then you go to hard, and then down here, if you're at easy and you go right, you go to medium. That's the reason. That's the only reason I put those two in there like that. What did I just say? So, fuck, I can't remember. So I think back needs to go over slightly, and then maybe the easy and the on need to go over. So back goes over just a little bit. Maybe back goes to 30. 30 is probably too much, but we'll figure it out here. So I set these to 20 now, this to 10, this to 20, over here. And then let's try these at 32. What I should be doing is hard coding them, or declaring them as variables, so I don't have to keep changing them like that. But okay, that looks pretty good. And then sound on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. I mean, it's like pretty good. I'm like pretty okay with that. I suppose the sound could be over a little bit more, but I don't know. I'm pretty happy with that. Now I need a little. I have to load a little sound for when it switches. Let me get a sound out here. Where's my game here? Starts. I think I have a sound sitting around here. This will work. And I don't think I have it loaded either. This isn't where I'm loading my shit anyway. Bullet, draw, toggle. And then there's like 5 places I gotta add it. Resources. What is the options here? Yeah, resources. Get over here. String, sound, toggle. Okay, ink that line. All right, that should be good for bringing it in. Pretty sure. And then I gotta add it to, I gotta load it in main. That should be good. Now I should just be able to play it anytime something happens. Pretty sure. And source, what was that called? State options. So now we should just be able to press anytime we change a sound here. So play a sound on any of these, play sound. I think this is FX toggle. Yeah, now we should just be able to copy this. Okay. Paste. These are the times I do like Vim for stuff like that. And then that goes back. Okay, so now we should have toggle sounds. Just pretend that didn't happen. I don't hear anything. Why not? Why don't I hear anything? Is it getting loaded in? FX toggle. Sound toggle. Okay. That's FX toggle. And then logic.h. I know I brought it in here. FX toggle, it's there at the top. Resources. Did I name the wrong thing? Did it show up as an error when I'm running it? Does it not? Does it say it's not? It's not. Yeah, it's not even saying that it can't run it. So did I don't think I pulled it in the wrong way. I'm pretty sure that's not the case. Ugh, dude, that must be getting tired. It's toggle sound, dude. Isn't that annoying? Oh, Jesus. It's kind of loud. Like, pretty sure. Oh, maybe I just have my headphones up loud. Let's see what the game should sound like and then figure out how loud that. Yeah, that's like pretty loud. Okay, turn that down. All right. Yeah, that's actually not bad. Oh, I know why this looks so weird. I gotta name this. I was thinking about it, and I know exactly why. This is state options. Wait, I think I've already used that in at source state title. Thank you. Appreciate that. Font options. Yeah, I already use this. This is I'll just rename this for simplicity's sake. This can be font options screen. Oh man, come on, do this to me. Screen. I don't care. Options difficulty. And I think I should make this the same size as the draw thing. So the title size is 100. Okay, so now I want to draw text on option screen. This is going to be, I kind of want to do it the same as the draw stuff, but I guess just back pause X is fine, and then back pause Y minus 100 seems fine, and then this should just be 100, and wait. And I think that will look okay. Oh, just a little bit higher and to the left, I think. Let's try 150 and this, like something like minus 50, something like that. And like this isn't the right way to do this either, because like if it draws at a different resolution when you ship to different platforms, I'm gonna have to go back through all of this and make it like constrained to layout. You know what I mean? Like game height minus 50 or whatever, and then center it off that and stuff. And that's the actual right way to do this. I'm just trying to get this up and running. I can fine tune it later. The problem is I spend so much time fine-tuning this stuff. Like I would be sitting here and going, okay, like game screen height minus 50, like, and then evening it out so that it's always constrained to the middle of the screen, but I'd never get anywhere. So I'm just trying to get this done quick and dirty, and then I can make it look nice later. So I think that's the idea with this for now. That was too high. This was at 150, at 100 is not high enough, so maybe 110, I think. Maybe it just needs to come over a little bit more. Oh no! Oh no. Why did I move that? How did that move? How did I move that? How is it possible that I moved the draw screen? Just how I like it, quick and dirty. Okay. And source state title. How could that be affected at all? Font play, font options, font arrow, font test. Title pause X, title pause Y. That shouldn't change at all. We can make this a const. It's not supposed to change at all. That shouldn't have moved at all. I don't know what the hell is going on there. Okay, that looks better. And then that looks better. I don't know how those got reassigned. And then I gotta make these stand out so they look more like titles. Anyway, I'm no UX guy. All right. I think that's it. I think that's so. I don't know what it is about this. I feel like maybe I just need to move this over here. Maybe I'm like tripping out or something. I think this needs to go obviously over to the left. Yeah, it's looking a little better. I swear that wasn't like that before though, so I don't know. So this is what happens when you don't constrain things to the edges. You're never sure. It's like not the way to do things, man. That's why everything's all goofy. So I guess the next thing to do is to make, so we did the options screen. It's like pretty much done. I guess we maybe have a little bit more to do. Refine based on constraints. But this is done. I'm just gonna call this done, and I'll make a new card for what I just said. Refactor, refine, title, and options based on layout constraints is the right way to do that. Okay. So next is these two, high score. I don't know if I should just add the high score to the main screen or if I should make it in the options. I'm not sure what like the best way to add that is, but that's definitely on the list to do, is add the high score, and then like people can beat it. Like highest level, fastest draw. That's actually, I think, a pretty good idea. High score, highest level. Difficulty. We're going to need to make adjust enemy difficulty based on what's it called? Based on difficulty setting. Easier or harder. Reaction time, high score, fastest difficulty, all that. Score screen. Oh. Options, put directly on title. Not sure. Consider refactoring this. A different enemy. I feel like I have a card for this. Yeah, I do. New different enemy. Player, oceans, etc. Okay. So, getting pretty close there. Some future ideas. Slow-mo. Put some future ideas. Let's see here. Future ideas. Points by outfits guns. Maybe duels are multi-round. This is like pretty out there, but like guns, maybe guns affect accuracy, etc. I don't know. And like crazy ideas. Multiplayer. Leaderboard. And then like point, cash, shop to buy clothes, guns, etc. Hashtag swag. Okay. Maybe that. I think that's going to do it for now. I can't think of anything else at the moment. I guess it's time to commit this. And we got the options screen up running tonight. So let's see here. So go ahead and write that out. Status, look at it. We added a sound. State options, modified, deleted. That looks pretty good. Added options screen logic plus sound. That's all I really did. Don't forget how to use if, else, if. All right. All right, that's it for today. Thanks. I'll try to get on again soon. Depends how work goes this week, but thanks for coming by.